video. I did not sleep last night, but that does not matter. Today I'm at the beautiful location, which is close to San Sebastian. It's a really awesome location. Now the weather is not quite as good as I hoped it would be, but in the last time I filmed here with my GoPro, and I did not set up my new GoPro yet, so the images inside of the building were actually flickering. But let me take you on a walk around. The owner is called Aziz, and he's a really humble and nice guy. Basically, this is what the terrace looks like. Some fences, mountains, some clouds over the mountains, some kind of serra with tables, benches, with the ultimate view, some hammocks, authentic roof, which they also have inside of the hotel. This used to be a animal location, or at least where they stored the animals, but Aziz fully renovated the place, or at least he got it renovated. It's for a for a night stay in this hotel. You're paying 70 euros and you get everything that you want from it. Beautiful Vamos? Beautiful painting on the wall. And now I'm going with Aziz to chop the lamb. So Aziz is going to chop the lamb, and I'm going to go with him to see how fresh the lamb is that he's actually serving to his people. Let's go.
El cordero.
Cordero. Sí, sí. ¿Es posible con la cámara?
Sí.
¿Sí? So we just arrived at the place where they are butchering the lamb. And halal. ¿Es halal también? Sí, halal. Halal. Halal.
Sí, sí, sí.
Mr. Geese. We're on a farm right now, where when they're slaughtering halal, I think.
Pobrecitas. Cabras.
Inside of the mountains, so they're keeping the goats high up in the mountains. So they also have some baby chicks.
¿Eh?
No, por la cámara.
Sí, ¿quieres cogerlo? Claro. Hacer un vídeo.
Sí. Por la hotel, por Francisco y comer. Por como que fresco la comida es.
Sí.
Y todo es halal, ¿sí? ¿Tú eres un Magreb?
Sí, ¿y tú?
Sí, soy holandés.
¿Holandés?
Sí.
Qué bien. Encantado, hombre. Qué bien.
Right now they're going to cut it up, create fresh meat, mucho delicioso. Cordoba? Cortero?
Cordero este.
Cortero es...
The other is cabra.
¿Es cabra?
Cabra.
Cabra.
In English, no sé.
It's goat. It's goat. Goat. So now they're going to clean it up, cut it up into pieces, and then you will get it fresh on your plate. So right now they're skinning it. It's really fresh.
O sea, que no lo infláis para pelar, ¿no?
Eso es.
Es fresco.
Todavía está caliente mejor para facilitar quitar el pie.
Sí. Claro, yo la otra vez le inflan. Le inflan y le quitan.
This is how fast they kill it, they clean it, and then the good food ends on your plate. Really, really fresh.
جبنا شوية اللحم جبنا شوية من هنا
خليه
ها يدور
The meat is looking really good. La carne es muy bien. Es muy rojo.
Comemos luego
Sí.
a casa.
هذيك سلطة اش نديرو بها كاع
Está مهمة es que esto es muy importante.
هذاك هو العلم هذه
es rica Aziz es muy rica
Para probar.
En Holanda también se hace eso.
Sí, sí, halal también.
Hoy en Holanda.
Todo el mundo. Todo el mundo,
Hoy
sí.
en Holanda también.
¿Eres de Holanda?
Sí.
Goed. Es que tú sabes,
Zeer goed,
tenemos ahí
zeer goed.
mucho
Zeer goed. Sí, sí, sí. So right now he's just pulling the skin down.
زق باش هو يصلح لك هذيك وكان نحيد
I'm pretty sure this is good meat.
نحيدوا لها هذيك سير معاها يصلح لك ها
La
احنا
cuenta de
¿La cuenta?
النمر
del canal.
canal
Es,
para ver qué tal la
sí,
cosa.
sí, en un momento.
Después,
sí, sí.
احنا سالين شفت دابا ما كنتش انا خاي عمر لا ما كنتش انا تقول لي اش يا سيدي
هذا
Look at this beautiful layer of fat. Sí.
vamos a limpiar
Sí, pero es fat, ¿no? Fat.
Esto,
No, es,
te lo paso.
no entiendo el nombre.
¿Esto?
No, un momento.
A ver, escríbelo en español a ver.
Sí.
Ah, ¿quieres decir si está
Gordo, gordo, gordo.
No, está dormido, está...
No, no, it's not gordo.
قال لك زعما واش ياك ما حامله.
ها embarazada.
Gordo, gordo.
Gordo وراندي.
sí.
عندك
هي 8 شهور مازال
So it looks really good.
Ah, no, no.
Meat looks.
No, eso es normal. No.
Sí, 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 pero
Normal así.
es bien. Gordo es bien.
Sí, claro.
Mucho gordo.
Pues tendrá comida, ¿no? Ahí
Más
dentro.
carne.
O aire.
más carne
No mucho gordo.
Sí, ¿no?
Mejor no, mejor pequeño.
sí de 8 meses o 9 así
Porque este es cabra, no es igual como la
Ah,
otra de ahí.
es más gordo.
Es cabra.
Sí, es,
el más gordo es este mira
sí, sí,
4
es,
años
es,
Este es más gordo.
tiene más
es por leche, ¿no? Es por leche.
o comida o algo.
O
Es
queso,
cordero.
queso.
Pero
Sí,
tiene
sí,
más
sí.
años, 4 años.
¿Cuatro?
Años, 4 años.
4 años es viejo.
4 سنين.
Sheriff.
Por el carne es malo. ¿eh? El carne es malo.
Look at the baby chicks. So basically that's how they prepare your food, and that's how fresh your food is when you come visit this hotel from Francisco Aziz.
Está muy guapo.
So basically, rent it, or well, I did not rent it, but the owner was so kind to let me stay for the night. Now the bed is still a mess, but I'm trying to do my best. It's a really nice room. Some kind of chandelier. So they have like 4 similar rooms to this one. Big windows. Everything's really clean, really nice. So the owner let me stay because I visited him last time. I was standing on the side of the road somewhere around there, and he flagged me over and I got into contact with him, and then I returned and he gave me this beautiful room for free. But I'm not going to accept that, of course. I'm going to give him something back because he also gave me something else. It's really nice. Okay guys, so right now I'm at the beautiful hotel in, or at least close to San Sebastian. I took some images before, so I'm not sure which film material I will be able to use, but the footage is much better right now. So this is an old style hotel and it's been fully renovated. Apart from the wood on the roof, this used to be a place where the animal lives, and they fully reconstructed it to a hotel. And it's a really cozy spot. They have a small bar. They have a kitchen right there on the left. They have some tables. Really beautiful tables. Also the wood on the ceiling is authentic. So this was originally all in the building which it was constructed from. And in the hotel they have like 4 rooms. There is one. Let me take you upstairs. Sí, sí. Filmar aquí es no problema.
Ah, sí, sí.
Sí, sí. So this is one of the other rooms. Small light. A really cozy spot. Really nice. TV. We even have a roof window. A window on the side. A closet to keep your stuff in. Obviously lighting. So they also have a really nice bedroom. Everything is really clean. Like that they have 2 more other rooms. I'm not sure. This one, the people are still here, so I'm not going to walk in the room. But there's another one. If you feel like going to a real cozy spot with friendly people, friendly host. Aziz is a generous guy, like I said before, and he's really friendly. He took me out to slaughter the lamb for the food. And they also have a sauna. You see where the light is. So basically they also have a spare bedroom, I think. Or maybe a toilet. Yeah, this is a toilet. Another toilet. And then right here. This is a place where you can take massages. And this is the This is the sauna. Everything is really hygienic here. You even have a special shower. Infinite shower. And of course, the best thing is the location. Greetings from San Sebastian, or at least close to the spot. It's like 40 kilometers to San Sebastian, but this is a real beautiful location. Don't hesitate to visit Aziz and his wife and his child, baby. I will put the link in the description if you want to visit this place. I will also put the address in the description, so if you want to visit this place, just do it. You will not regret it. You could see that the lamp is really fresh. If you skip the part, I understand it. The meat that you will actually be eating here is halal slaughtered, so for the people that do care about halal food, if you're Moroccan and Arab, then you will be able to eat like real good food. If you mention Aziz, which is the owner, if you tell him that you would like halal food, I'm pretty sure that he will get the halal food for you. He will prepare it, at least his woman will prepare it, and you will have a great and amazing food. Right now, guys, I'm gonna enjoy some more of this view before I leave. I hope you like this video. If you do, please give me a like, subscribe. Also share the video to friends and people, because Aziz really is a generous and friendly man, and also his wife. And people should come and visit this place for sure. Anyways, see you guys on the next one. Look at how cute she is. She's trying to walk. Oh. Oh. She's trying to walk.